Hey, everyone! Welcome back! And today we're diving into the world of comfort food with a classic recipe that's perfect for chilly days. Potato leek soup. This velvety and creamy soup is not only delicious but also incredibly easy to make. So, grab your apron and let's get cooking. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at the ingredients. You'll need for this hearty potato leek soup: potatoes, about 4 large, peeled and diced. Leeks, 3-4, cleaned and sliced. Onion, 1, diced. Garlic, 3 cloves, minced. Chicken or vegetable broth, 4 cups. Butter, 2 tablespoons. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Heavy cream, 1/2 cup. Thyme, 1 teaspoon, dried or fresh. Salt and pepper to taste. Step 1, prep work. The key to a fantastic potato leek soup is in the prep work. Start by peeling and dicing your potatoes, cleaning and slicing your leeks, and dicing the onion and garlic. Step 2, sautéing aromatics. Show cooking pot on the stove. Host, heat olive oil and butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add the diced onions and minced garlic. Let them sauté until they're soft and aromatic. Step 3, cooking leeks. Now, toss in those beautiful leeks. Stir them well and let them cook down until they're tender. The aroma at this stage is just amazing. Step 4, adding potatoes and thyme. Time to introduce our star ingredient, the potatoes. Add them to the pot, followed by a sprinkle of thyme for that earthy flavor. Step 5, pouring broth. Pour in the chicken or vegetable broth. Make sure it covers all the ingredients. Bring it to a gentle boil and then reduce the heat to let it simmer until the potatoes are fork tender. Step 6, blending. Once everything is cooked through, it's blending time. You can use an immersion blender or transfer the soup to a blender in batches. Blend until it's nice and smooth. Step 7, adding cream. Now, for that luxurious touch, add the heavy cream. Stir it in, and watch as the soup transforms into a velvety masterpiece. Step 8, seasoning. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Give it a final stir, and there you have it, a pot full of creamy goodness. And there you have it, folks, a delicious homemade potato leek soup that's sure to warm your soul. I hope you enjoyed cooking along with me today. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tasty recipes, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until then, happy cooking. End screen. Show other related videos and ask viewers to subscribe.